myself and now my 3 friends. Make it feel like we're getting leaked in. ASAP niggas finna sneak in.
What is up, everybody? Monster Jam Fanatic here, back again with another Monster Jam news video, and today we have quite big news. This news has actually been out for a couple days now. The rumors have been going around since, I'd say, the summer of this year. I made a video back in the summer about Steel Titans and how Jurassic Attack was leaked, like a photo of Jurassic Attack was leaked on a Steel Titans. We were thinking it was going to be in Monster Jam Steel Titans. Turns out it's going to be in Monster Jam Steel Titans 2, which is perfectly fine with me. The same day or the day after we got the news for Monster Jam Steel Titans 2, there was also news on the Monster Jam official website. Well, this wasn't news, this was just a hint about Jurassic Attack coming back for Salt Lake City, which is now confirmed for 2021. I forget what day exactly it is. I know it's sometime in January. It is the first confirmed Monster Jam event for 2021. There is news that we are getting Jurassic Attack in 2021, not just in Steel Titans, but in real life. It's been just about a decade since Jurassic Attack has been in Monster Jam. I'm proud to announce as well the original driver David Olfert is going to be in Jurassic Attack still, and he will make his, I'm not going to say debut, but his return. He's now coming out of retirement in 2021 in Salt Lake City, Utah. So this is huge news. I know everyone is so ecstatic over this. Jurassic Attack was one of my favorite trucks when I was younger too. I just love this truck, the blue dinosaur, like, you know, as a kid, and as along with you guys, probably like found this truck just the most interesting truck ever. I remember when this truck was a tannish, and then I remember it turning to blue. I have both of the die cast. I have the tan and the blue. That's besides the point. Anyways, Jurassic Attack, I'm so glad to have the original driver. That's probably what I'm most excited about. The original driver is coming back. I'm gonna pull up this photo right here from Instagram. This is the photo that the driver David posted. I don't know if it was on Instagram or Facebook. It may have been Facebook, and people just started posting on Instagram as well. But as you can see, his crew shirt looks a bit different. There's no blue on it or anything, or tan. So I'm thinking we're going to get a new color for the Jurassic Attack. Maybe something more like a yellow or orange. I mean, that's what it looks like. We have no clue. We can't really go off what the shirt looks like. I wouldn't even mind having the regular blue design, to be honest. But either way, I just can't wait to see what Jurassic Attack is going to look like in 2021. If we're going to get a new look for Jurassic Attack, that would be awesome. So with that said, that is all I have to say today. Please subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. I would really appreciate that. And like and comment if you guys have any questions. Comment and I will answer. I reply to all my comments. I will keep you guys updated if we get any more 2021 Monster Jam news, like new trucks that will be announced. Hopefully that will be a thing too. Hopefully we'll start hearing about new trucks. We didn't even get a season kickoff live stream like we get every year back in September, so that kind of sucked. But I will keep you guys updated if we get any more 2021 news or news about Steel Titans. So thanks for watching once again. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.